Love has
And
four
affair,
letters.
huh?
You know very well. I know tell you that. So lack of time, ocean of tears, value of death, needs of life. A person who there will do type of this. Sure that just like me condition there shall not them run. The devoted love far better. Understand? Enjoy for anything you will like with a female species. Right now no problem. Suppose that you are to lead of imagination, keeper confront, do not follow. What will you done? The result of your there will come out.
But you know,
In your family affect the our future. Sure that understand.
what is your name, by the way? What is your name, my friend?
So
What is your name?
Amir.
Where do you
Calling
live?
name don't have real name. I know tell you that.
And-
Amir is every person knows very well. Amir, how are you? What's your
And
problem?
where do you
All the
live?
time I will give you a contribution of the money, some food.
Guys, I'll introduce you one person here. His name is Amir, and as you can see, his condition is not good, but his English is very fantastic. As you can see, he's a beggar, but still he can speak English better than me, better than many people.
That hurry up, it's I'm so late. I'm going to get second I shall meet.
So,
you are ready also ready.
You
You have lots of friends.
you seem to be educated person, right?
Well, because no problem. It is the luck of the matter. It is luck of the 1 rupees, 2 rupees. Same just like you take you think this way. You are giving in part for the 1 rupees, 2 rupees, and through yourself every person alive in passing our life every day very good. Understand? It is luck of the matter. Is it luck of the educated? No problem. It's enough.
My friend, one question I have. If I will give you 5 rupees,
founded
how
everything
it will
in
help
our
you?
life, but probably one thing failure there is admitted reached to 9 hotel before I go long.
So what do you do with that
I am
money?
single in the world. Yeah, like this.
Amir, what do you do with that money? What do you do?
Oh, so like the already completely just you are going over. You are not catching my. What does personality for the man? You don't know. You have just child. No. You know very well that every man knows very well. And there is no need to go backward and forward. And personality for the you know very well for money. Suppose that you.
Okay.
But
I know my Amir.
Suppose that you want to go to Chhapra.
Amir,
You don't have a lot of
you
money.
have
How
money.
get for Chhapra, understand?
Amir.
To the solve your problem, that will put the money. Sure,
Amir, my friend, listen. Consider
Don't
me
waste
as your
the time,
brother.
hour and
No.
I-
Oh my
Just
God.
night-
No. See, I am trying to help you. Seriously, I'm not joking with you. So trust me, I'm trying to help you. I just want to know. You are living like that. It is your way of living, or you just want to live like that? You want new dresses. You want new clothes. I can give
I
you
have
that.
many problems there goes. One problem.
You are not smoking. You are not doing anything like
There's no
nasha.
life in it. You never avoid for a
You are not addicted of any kind of like alcohol or something.
No, I don't like this. It's avoid for a bit of in childhood period. I know very well.
Okay.
There's no type of this one. A great philosopher's point on take you say this one
Okay.
is very drinker, smoking, etc. That's it.
So you are not a boozer. You are not a drinker, right?
Yeah, like
you
this. I know very well.
My
That
friend,
also you know
listen, Amir. You see, you can read how what is the number of it is showing here.
Oh, yeah.
60 people. 60 people right now watching you online on Facebook. 60 people, more than 60 people will watch this video after our conversation. So I want you to, I want you to tell us about your condition, why you are living like this, and what kind of help you are seeking from us. I can do whatever you want me to
Suppose
do.
that
I can give you the new clothes, I can give you some money, I can
suppose
give you
that-
even
suppose
shelter.
that-
I can even
listen
provide
to
you
what
with the home.
I'm telling Priscilla
Okay.
has when you like
Okay.
this.
Okay.
That is
Tell me.
going your personality.
Okay.
Also, you don't know deeply and what is
Yes.
that.
I don't know about you,
You know
really.
like this. Suppose that also any person, any things that can be create problem, natural back problem, many problems will have higher poverty, and corruption, terror, malice. It is suppose that is same just like this is the matter of wonder. I am going that side here and there. 1% type of the competition for the money. Also for that competition for the money and a lot of our aspired. That is not your right to understand. Already have this sounded personality very good, but when you are going there,
आपका असली नाम आमिर है?
yeah, like this.
आमिर घर कहाँ है?
I belong from Harihans, you know very well. That.
हरिहास.
Yes, I know very well.
Okay, I know that village, but I don't know exactly where is your house. So just I don't know how to help you. You are a very nice person. You know, you are a very you are having great
Also, you are
conversation.
also that you talent.
You know,
like
talent.
it. I like- I
Wait,
like
Amir,
talent.
wait, Amir. See, many people are coming here and they want you to talk to us.
Wait.
ये बंदा जो है आमिर है, नाम है इसका, खुद का नाम आमिर बता रहा है एंड पागल की तरह दिख रहा है, लेकिन अभी तक वो सिर्फ इंग्लिश में ही बात करता है. और उसकी इंग्लिश कई पढ़े लिखे लोगों से बेहतर है, मुझसे भी बेहतर है, मुझे लगता है ऐसा लेकिन इसके साथ क्या कंडीशन है, इसके घर चलते हैं हम लोग और इसका जो भी समस्या है इसको देखते हैं, इसको रहने खाने पीने का जो भी इशू है इसको हम लोग ये करेंगे। ये सिवान में एक ऐसा भी इंसान रह रहा है जो मतलब कह रहा है कि प्यार में पड़ गया हुआ था, इसकी वजह से हम पागल हो गए हैं या फिर इस कंडीशन में आ गए हैं। आई डोंट नो क्या एग्जैक्टली प्रॉब्लम है, बट जो भी होगा हम बताएंगे आप लोगों तक। और इसके घर तक तो हम पहुंचेंगे और घर पे पहुंचकर इसकी जो भी समस्या है उसकी समस्या को दूर तो जरूर करेंगे, है ना।